Hello designer, let's start today's lesson. Select text tool and type. Press Ctrl T and rotate 90 degrees. Right-click and select Rasterize. Go to Filter, select Stylize and Win, and do it 4 to 5 times. Press Ctrl T and rotate again text back it was. Go to Adjustment Layer and select Gradient. Reduce opacity. Add drop shadow on text. Go to Adjustment Layer and select Pattern. You can use any type of pattern as you like. Finally, it's done. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe.